So now we're going to test out a little bit of bird seed, and we're going to test out a little bit of bird seed and some Bioboxics for birds whistling, and there's ambient background noise. So here is the bird feeders. So I'm gonna put this up here in the snow and hope that it doesn't, as I fill up these things. So one is almost full, a little bit. And then so we got one down, and then the other bird feeder to go. So we'll take this, and it's got a little bit left in there. I'm gonna there's a crow calling off in the distance. Oh, gotta turn the bag around a little bit. So far we have no birds, but they will be here shortly, because they'll be more attracted to the food than they were to my sounds. So we got bird feeders right there. Right there. Look at that. I've done my so there's nothing in the immediate area or proximity, but we'll see. All right.